Okay, so BF, so B and F, then BA and FL. What else is needed to prove? Okay, so the next thing I need to prove ASA, so far I have an angle and a side, I need another angle. So that one's gonna be this, angle, side, angle. So for the red one, the answer is angle A is congruent to angle L. Then if I'm doing it the other way, actually that was ASA. So the other one's gonna be angle side for this one. That's this one. So this red one was actually ASA right here. And this orange one would be angle side. So you have those two, and you just need this one. So it's gonna be this angle here. So for this orange one, it's angle T is congruent to angle U. Okay, so this is that red one that's on the top right of the board. It's going to be, there's the bell. It's going to be 6x plus 16 plus 3x minus 18 plus 4x equals 180. So 6, 3, 4, that's 13x. 16 minus 18 is negative 2 equals 180. So 13x equals 182. 182 divided by 13 is 14. X equals 14. Then down here, you do, this one's by itself. This is the green one on the board. 6x plus 18 on the right. So 4x plus 5 plus 5x minus 5. Oh, you can't see that. It's okay, I'll move it down here. 6x plus 18 equals 4 plus 5 is 9x, and then 5 minus 5 is these two cancel out. It's just that. So minus 3x, 18 equals 3x, x equals 6. There's your x. The lengths of two sides of the triangle are 35 and 19. Possible lengths of the third side. Okay, so this is this one here. It's going to be the black one on the right of the board, where it's the difference to the sum. So for the difference, it's 35 minus 19, which is 16. And the sum is 35 plus 19 is 54. That's the answer. Okay. 3 squared plus 4 squared, and then something 5 squared. So in this case, 3 squared plus 4 squared is 25, and then 5 squared is 25, so it's equal. That makes it a right triangle. Right. 5 squared plus 12 squared, and then something 14 squared. 5 squared plus 12 squared is 169. 14 squared is bigger. 196. 196. So if your C is bigger, then it's obtuse. 9 squared plus 11 squared. So this is 202. And then 13 squared is 169. So this time, these two are bigger, so it's acute. This 202 is bigger than 169. Okay, based on the triangle, what's the value of x? So this is the mid-segment theorem, which is the blue one. So this is how you start off. 2x equals, not x, 2 times the mid-segment, which is x plus 12, equals 43. So 2x plus 24 equals 43. 43 minus 24 is 19. It's going to be a decimal. 2x equals 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. X equals 9.5. Let's check this to make sure. Something's not right here. 9.5 plus 12. Wait, yeah, that's right. Because 9.5 plus 12 is 21.5, which is half of 43. So that's good. Checks out. Solve this. Oh, well, this is just algebra. Negative 3n plus 2, because negative and negative make a positive, equals negative n minus 5 plus 3. So 3n plus 2 equals negative n, negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. So I'm going to add 3n plus 3n. 2 equals 2n minus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You get 4 equals 2n, then n equals 2. You can check that if you need to. If you find an error on this, I'll give you bonus points, but I'm just going to work through it because there's a lot of questions. Find the length of the missing side. So this is A, B, and C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's x squared plus 10.7 squared equals 13.6 squared. 10.7 squared. You can do this faster. I'm just going to give you the steps. 10.7 squared is 114.49, and then 13.6 squared. 13.6 squared is 184.96. So subtract this. Minus 114.49. So x squared equals 70.47. Take the square root. Square root of that is 8.39. 8.39 is your x. So that's your missing side. And it's smaller than hypotenuse, so it works. Perimeter and area of the rectangle. Perimeter equals 2 length plus 2w. Area equals base times height. So that's going to be 2 times 6.5 plus 2 times 12.7 for the perimeter, and for the area it's 6.5 times 12.7 for the area. 2 times 6.5 is 13 plus 2 times 12.7 is 25.4 plus 13, 38.4. Does that seem right? 38.4, there's no units, so that's the perimeter. Make sure I did that right. Yeah, it should work. Okay, and for the area, it's 6.5 times 12.7. So that's going to be 82.55 units squared. Perimeter and area of the triangle. So for the perimeter, it's going to be 24. 24 plus 10 plus 26. So it's that 34 plus 26, 60. So that's 50, 60. And then the area, you'll have a formula sheet for this area stuff. And then if we don't have enough, I can just put them up on the board. 1/2 base is the base down here, 26, and then 9. Alright, it's lunchtime. We're going to finish this one. 0.5 times 26 times 9. So this is area equals 117. Alright, I'll pick up in the next video.